In this video, you will learn how to protect Excel cells, Excel worksheet as well as Excel workbook. So let's start how to protect these cells. Let's assume this is the data of a company profit and loss, and this is a confidential data and we want to protect him. Let's first increase the size of this sheet. So here is the data which I want to protect, these cells. So nobody can make changes in these cells. Firstly, I select these cells, right click, format cells, and in protection, make sure that these cells are locked. Click OK. Now I want that these are the cells which we can make changes at any time. So I will unlock these. Go to format cell, and it is by default it is checked locked. I will uncheck it. Click on OK. Now go to review option, and here click on protect sheet. Enter your password. For example, I will enter 123. I will select these, check these two, select locked cell and select unlocked cell. Click on OK. It will again ask you to write that password 123. Click on OK. Now if you want to change these values, for example, I want to add here 9000. The dialog box will be appear. The cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. So we are not protected these cells, so we can make changes in this. For example, I want January 2nd, January 3. So we can make changes in all these cells. Now I want that I want to protect these column, but there is still option to format these, because currently there is no option to format these cells. You can see here, if you click here, no option will be appeared here. So how we can change these settings so that it is protected, but we can still format these cells? Firstly, we unprotect this sheet. For that, right click on sheet. Here you will find option of unprotect sheet. Enter your password 123. Click on OK. Now these cells are already unlocked. So just right click here, sheet 1, and here you will find option of protect sheet. In protect sheet you will find different options. Firstly, we check the select locked cell and select unlocked cell. If I checked format cell, then we are able to format these columns. There is a other option available, for example, format column, or format just rows. Click on OK. Now you can see here that you can format these cells, but you cannot change the values. For example, I want bold these. You can see here, you can change color or whatever you want, but just formatting. Now I want to change this. If I want to change this value, for example 9000, you can see here that I can't change it without password. So this is the method by which you can protect your cell. So next thing which we learn, how to protect the whole sheet. I will unprotect sheet. Now make sure that all cells are locked here. because previously I have unlocked these cells so that I can make changes in this. Go to format cell and in protection check on locked cell. Click on OK. Now just on sheet 1 right click and here you will find option of protect sheet. Enter password 123. OK. Again enter password. OK. Now this whole sheet is protected. If I want to make changes here, for example, I want to write something, the dialog box will be appear that whole sheet is protected. You can see here I can't add column or add rows here. No option will be appeared here. Similarly, if you want to change this value, dialog box will be appeared here and you can't change them. Even you can change this value. For example, I want to change this. So whole sheet is protected. So in previously we have learned how to change the settings so that we will format him. Now I will teach you how to add columns or rows if you change the setting. Firstly I will unprotect sheet. Now this sheet is unprotected. I write here 1 and drag this, and I want that the whole sheet remain protected, but still there is an option to add columns here. So right click here, go to protect sheet, and here firstly format cells, format column, format rows, we have already seen this. So next we move to insert column. We check the option of insert column. So we will be able to insert column in this sheet. There are plenty of options available. You can explore these options. For example, insert rows, insert hyperlinks, delete columns, delete rows option, use pivot table, use autofiller, sort. You can check these options. So formatting will be, the setting will be changed. So I will select this insert column and click on OK. Now you can see I cannot make changes in any cells or any values, or even I cannot format them, but I can still be able to format add column. For example, select this, right click, and here you will find the option of insert. You can see here a column is added here. So by this way you can set your protected sheet according to your requirement. Now this is the setting for the one sheet, and if you have multiple sheet, for example here, you can still make changes in it. For example, I will 500. So how to protect the whole workbook? For that one, you just go to file. So firstly I will unprotect this sheet. So it is unprotected. To protect whole book, just go to file, and here you will find the option of info. Here is, then you will find the option of protect workbook. If you click on this down arrow, you will find multiple options. If you want to mark it final, you can add digital signature, restrict access, you can always open ready on, or protect current sheet. I want to add password, so I will click on encrypt with password. The dialog box will be appeared and you can enter your password. I again enter 123, click on OK, then again enter the same password. Remember that this password is case sensitive, and if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document name in a safe place. Click on OK. Now here you can see here a password is required to open this file. Go to home. If you close this file, want to save your changes, yeah, save. Click on save. Now this is the file and I close it. Now when I want to open this file, it will require a password. For example, I want to open it. It is open with Excel. Now you can see here it is asking for password. I will enter password 123 and click on OK. Then this file will be open. If you want to remove this password, go to file, info, and in protected workbook, down arrow and again click on encrypt with password. This password appeared here. You can remove this password by pressing backscape. Click on OK. Then close this file and save these changes. Now this file is no more protected with password. You can open this file again and you can see here it cannot ask for any password.